Is there anyone else who has difficulty sleeping? Listen there. Hear God moving up him throne up there? And watch it there. Pure pictures him taking, you know. Does anyone else have difficulty sleeping when all of this is going on? You're in your bed sleeping, and then you see all this light show happening, all these pictures taking. Can you hear the rain? This is winter in Canada. There's a lot of snow today. And then we had ice storm. And now this beautiful light show. And this is at 1 a.m. Canadian time in Ontario. Because Canada has multiple time zones. So this is in Ontario. Look at that. How am I supposed to sleep? I can't sleep in this. Yeah, that's a better view. This is lightning in the middle of the night. Wow. Still a little bit of rumbling. Whoa. Look at that. Beautiful, but sometimes scary. Wow. Hear that rumbling? Okay, well, thank you for